Hello guys, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today I'm going to be going over my January kind of like kit that I put together. I actually am going to be possibly doing 2 kits this month. If not, my main focus is going to be on this kit and using up some of these items. So I figured I'd show you guys some of this you guys have seen in my Christmas stash, but I really wanted to kind of show you guys what I'm going to be working with this month. And I will add at the end of this video like my stuff for if I want to pull anything in from the paper pads that I have. So I have some embellishments on here, but let's go ahead and we'll talk about paper. So paper is mainly going to be from the Oh What Fun from Pink Fresh, and I believe this is their last year's paper. Yeah, 2020. So I have a lot of cute things. It's kind of has like a pink and like a very bright colored color palette. So I already had, if you guys saw my like flip through of everything, I've already had a some photos in here that I wanted to use, like, and I already kind of had the papers ready to go. And I still probably will do that for the majority of them, but I also have a full stack of photos that I printed out. So I have these, and these are all from 2019. So I want to get some of these printed. I'm not going to get all of them, or some of these done. I'm not going to get all of them ready, or all of them scrapbooked. Sorry. So I do have that. And I have those. And then I have these in here. I just put them in here. I don't think I'm going to use them. They're too like dark for me. So I might de-stash these. I have like a stack of papers that I'm trying to de-stash. So this will be part of my first kit, and I'll show you guys the elements that I'm working with. So I have the Oh What Fun alphabet puffy stickers that go with the collection. I have the cardstock stickers. I have the journaling bits, the journaling cards, the chipboard stickers, and then I also have the enamel dots too. And then I just went through some of my stuff and just kind of added some things. So I liked these little snowflakes, and I figured they went really well with the collection colors, and I'm almost done using at least these, so I can definitely try to use those up. I have some of these hearts, or not hearts, bows. I thought they would look cute. This definitely has like a mint green vibe coming off of it, so those will be used hopefully. I have some Pink Fresh Christmas wishes, and then some brads that I have, and then this Holly Jolly. I would like to use up some of these stickers, so that way I can use that up. So that is basically my first kit, and not all months are going to be like this where there's 2 kits, but I do have a lot of this other collection that I kind of want to use up. So this one right here, or not use, but like get into this year. So this is the Vicky Bouton Warm Wishes collection. You guys have all seen this. It's very pretty. I love it. Super cute. I love the colors, everything about it. So I'm adding this Christmas Together for Christmas paper pad. And the reason why I'm adding this is because I really want to use up some of these single colors. And I feel like this will go, like, take my paper pads to the next level. So I'll be able to integrate this paper pad with both of them, and possibly get some of this used up. So with that, I have the chipboard stickers, I have the puffy stickers, and then I have the ephemera, and I have a whole bunch of cutouts that I did because I like to do that. And then I just added a few things from my collection. So I added the snow globes, the glitter mini trees, these cute little cocoa stickers. These I would like to use up, although I feel like the green is very, very different. I could make it work for maybe the red, but possibly the green, maybe not. And then I added this little sticker book because it has a whole bunch of different stickers in it. So definitely try to get some of this used. But those are my 2 kits. I will be showing you guys some of the stuff that I'm making using these 2 kits, and then towards the end of the month I will show you guys what I have left over, and then hopefully in February we will be working on some Valentine's Day stuff. So I'm already trying to plan ahead, but I'm still trying to just have fun too, because that's the whole reason, you know, is to have fun and just, you know, make some layouts. So figured I'd show you guys what I'm working with, and I will see you guys in my next video, and hopefully the end of the month I will have some empties and some beautiful layouts and projects to show you. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.